Do you fully understand how the probate court system can hurt your family, especially when it comes to inheritance? I'm Neil Bartlett with Island View Law, and we help people protect and transfer their assets from one generation to another. If you own real estate or have other assets that you are trying to protect in the event of inheritance, taxation, or transfer, visit our website and set a time to meet with our firm. On this week's video, we are discussing the impact the probate court system could have on your inheritance and ultimately the real cost involved to you and your family. Losing a loved one is undoubtedly a difficult experience, and the last thing you want to deal with during this challenging time is the probate court system. Unfortunately, many people fail to adequately plan their estate, leaving their heirs and their beneficiaries at the mercy of this lengthy and often very expensive legal process. The probate court system is designed to facilitate the administration of a deceased person's estate. It involves validating the deceased's will, paying the outstanding debts and taxes that might be due, and distributing assets to the rightful beneficiaries. However, this process can be time-consuming, expensive, and subject to delays and disputes. One of the most glaring downsides of the probate court system is the cost associated with it. Probate fees can quickly eat away at the estate's value, leaving beneficiaries with less than they anticipated. Legal fees, court costs, appraisals, and executor fees are just a few of the expenses that can arise during probate. By planning your estate properly, you could potentially save your loved ones from a lot of those expenses. In addition to the financial strain, probate can be an extremely lengthy process. It can take months or even years to close an estate, leaving heirs in limbo and depriving them of their rightful inheritance. During this time, assets may be tied up and inaccessible, causing unnecessary stress and frustration for those trying to move forward. Probate is a public process, which means that anyone can access the court records and learn all about your assets, your debts, and who your beneficiaries are. This lack of privacy can expose your loved ones to potential scams, unscrupulous individuals, and unwanted attention. By avoiding probate altogether, you can protect your family's privacy and keep your financial affairs confidential. The good news is there are several strategies you can employ to steer clear of the probate court system and ensure a smooth transfer of your assets. Consider these options. Number 1, establishing a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust allows you to transfer your assets to a trust during your lifetime and designate a trustee to manage them upon your incapacity or your passing. Since the assets are held in the trust, they do not go through probate, thus avoiding the delays, the unnecessary expenses, and all of the public scrutiny. Number 2, joint ownership or beneficiary designations. Owning assets jointly with a right of survivorship or designating beneficiaries on accounts such as insurance policies, retirement plans, and even bank accounts can bypass the probate process and directly transfer these assets to the intended recipients. While the probate court system serves a necessary purpose, it is essential to be aware of the potential drawbacks. By taking proactive steps to plan your estate and avoid probate, you can protect your assets, streamline the transfer process, and ensure that your loved ones receive their inheritance in a timely manner. Seek guidance from an estate planning professional to create a comprehensive plan tailored to your unique circumstances. Stay out of the probate court system and secure the legacy you wish to leave behind. We want to help you first plan what to do with all of your assets and then make sure they are protected so that your wishes are carried out upon your death or incapacity. Schedule a 30-minute call with our firm and we'll analyze your entire situation, then provide a clear plan to protect your assets and ensure your wishes are carried out. You didn't spend your whole life working for something that cannot be shared or given to your loved ones, so don't. Plan your estate so you can protect your family today.